guys, so today we're doing Murder Mystery 2 in Trainer. Please don't mind the noises behind because, some people. So blue fire, let's do poison this time. Ooh, this chroma. Let's see, Roblox. Instead, we're gonna do Junior Monkey. You all know who that is by now.
Wait,
Let's
no,
do
we only posted like 2 videos.
Yeah, we only posted like 2 videos by now, so yeah. So we have Junior Monkey standing right there, I think. Rose block. There. First try, bro. First try. I like the gun right now. So let's do Ghost User because I love using Ghost User. Bro runs straight to me. I saw his block, her block, and so